Today we have a packet with sea animal toys. Let's unbox the sea animal toys and learn their names. Are you ready, kids? Let's start.
Here and a there, here and there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
There are lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. A triceratops. This is a triceratops. A crab. This is a king crab. The next one is a whale fish. This is a whale. Alligator. This is alligator. The next one is a crab. This is a crab. Octopus. This is octopus. A dolphin. This is a dolphin. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A camel. This is a camel. A tiger. This is a tiger. A stegosaurus. This is a stegosaurus.